Wagwan, listen, man. The video stopped. I don't know why it stopped, but listen. Okay, so what I was trying to explain about identifying the buying or selling power. See, I went from an hour. Okay, so I gave these details out on my live sessions. Okay, $25 an hour. So what we do here is you want to go into your higher time frames. You want to sell out at major points, higher points. You want to trade like the big firms. And as I said in my previous videos, there are 33,000 banks in the world. Okay, you don't want to trade against them. Trust me. Go according to how they trade on the major levels. Okay, so my point of my video, like I wanted to explain, I don't know why it stopped in the previous video. So this is a continuation. So what I was trying to say is count the number of blues. Just you see, the blues means buying power, red means selling power. So if you go into a higher time frame and you zoom in, this is how your pair is going to look like. And you draw these blue and red lines. If it comes down, draw the red line down. If it goes up, draw the blue line up. Okay, so count the number of blues and reds. And if you count here, you see 5 reds and 4 blues. Okay, so this tells you that this pair has more selling power. But at some point in time in history, until 2020, this pair ranged for like 252 days, a whole year. Well, close to a year. All right, so you can hedge during these ranges. Okay, sell buy, sell buy, sell buy, and as you can see, you want to plot out these major levels. So when they hit it, the key point and the trick here is to put your alert system. Okay, and do your confluences. And when you make your confluences, this is what happens. It's a win-win. Okay, it's a win-win. All right, so this was just to wrap up that video. Love you guys.